So good morning, andito tayo ngayon sa Lighthouse Marina Resort. Kasama natin yung mga kids para sa ating summer sports clinic natin, sailing. So tingnan natin, samahan nyo kami. Alright. Come on, let's go. Baka nandun sa may captain na. Saan yan? Saan yung sailing?
Sailing, sir. Ito yung Subic Sailing, sir, office.
Okay, tanong na lang namin. May tao na ba dyan?
Parang wala.
Wala pa. Okay, sige. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Kasama ka ba?
Yung anak ko.
Okay, so dito tayo ngayon sa Lighthouse. Yan, sama natin yung mga kids.
Kakaway ka pa?
And start na ngayon ng summer sports clinic natin dito sa Olongapo City. Kasama natin ang Subic Sailing para sa sailing. So andito yung mga boat. Maraming boat dito actually. Maraming maliliit na boat and medyo malalaking boat on behalf of Subic Sailing. Papakita ko sa inyo.
Look at the flags. Yan, nakikita mo yung flag. Saan papunta? Pag gano'n. Siyempre, yung hangin. Gano'n. Pag naman, saan? Medyo pag gano'n. Doon, sa Philippine flag. Mas malayo. Nakikita niyo yung Philippine flag? Saan papunta? Pag ganito. So, pag gano'n naman yung hangin. So, alam mo, sa kanan ng gagaling yung hangin. Lahat naman to sa kaliwa. Diba? Kita mo? Kaliwa. Para sa mga kids, ito yung boat na gagamitin natin. So, tawag dyan Optimist. Okay? Tapos, meron siya neto. Tawag dito mast. Okay? Ano ulit? Mast. Okay? Yan yung nag-hold. So nakita nyo, pag mas mataas ka sa hangin, pag palayo ka na sa hangin, palayo ng palayo sa center yung boom. Okay? Boom. Angle. Kaya mong pagkat sa hangin. Pero pababa, pwede. Okay? So, kaya pwede kayo dito sa shade lang. So ito yung yung control natin dito. Called the tiller. Okay? Ito tiller extension. This is the tiller. Okay? So this is the rudder. Okay? Dito pag pinush mo yung Yes. Correct. This is the rudder. It will make your boat go left or right. Okay? If you want to go left, push it to the right. If you want to go right, you pull it to the left. Okay. In movies. Okay, so where's the wind coming from again? Here. Huh? Here. So if I'm like this, you see, look at your sail. Okay? Look at your sail. See? It's just flogging. It's not gonna work. You will not move facing the wind. Okay? You will not move facing the wind. You have to be like that. That. Oh, look at the sail. It's a little flagging in front, so you still need to come down a bit. Okay, there. Okay, boat will come down. If I say head up into the wind, I push, you go up. Okay, bear down, head up. So this is, if the wind is coming from the port, from the left side, okay, it's called port tack. Okay. Kasi, this is a marine term, no? Right. Okay. So as I bear down, pagka ganito yung angle, yung sail ko medyo loose ng ganyan. Baba pa natin. Pag mas mababa sa hangin, yung sail ko, ganyan. You're trying to catch the wind. That's why you're easing it out. You're releasing the main sheet. This is called the main sheet. Okay? If I pull the main sheet, it goes to the center. I release, it goes off center. Okay, so it's the control for the main. The main is this one. Okay, we only have one sail. It's called the main sail. Okay? What is it called again? Okay, and this one is the main sheet. Okay, so I have a main sail, a main sheet. If I have another sail called the jib, I will also have a jib sheet. Okay, so the sheets are the control. So what's this again? Main sheet. Okay, main sheet. Ito, what's this? No, this one. Boom. And then this one.
Tiller.
Tiller. Okay? Bring the boat left or right. Okay. So, let's try it. But, yeah. Okay, sit down. No, here. Here. So this is where we sit down. Okay? This is called the deck. Okay, this is where we sit down. And then the tiller, you can hold the tiller like this. It's called frying pan grip, but we like to use it like this, a dagger grip. Okay, like a dagger. Okay, a dagger. And then we hold the main sheet there. Okay, good. Sit down properly there. Then this one. Come here guys, look. This one is called the toe strap. Toe strap. So, you have to put your feet under there. So, she can lean back without falling. See? And this one, see, it's long. So, when she leans back, see, it's still straight. Kasi if you don't hold it here, if you hold it here, you can control the boat, but she cannot lean back. You have to lean back because sometimes the boat's gonna heel like this. Okay? Tatagilid yung boat and pwedeng mag-capsize. Pwedeng tumumba. Ha? You can capsize the boat. So you have to stop it from heeling, you lean back. Okay? Okay? So, to bring the boat up, like that. To bring the boat down, like that. Okay? Up, down, Head up. Bear down. Okay? Pull main sheet in. When you pull main sheet, guys, when you pull main sheet, you don't do this, okay? You don't wrap it on your hand. Huh? You don't wrap it on your hand. You use this, your thumb. Grab it. Yes. Then bitaw to. Bitaw. Grab some more. Bitaw to. Grab again. Grab some more. Sige, go. Yun! Yun! Galing ka, lakas. Oh, nabipin mo. Wala kang bigyan. Okay, good. Yan. Oh, good. Yan. So, pag nagsa-drive ka, ganon. Main sheet in, main sheet out. Okay? So, oh, good. Hawak lang ganyan, ha? Okay. So, pwede mo nang bitawan dyan. Yan. Pag sinabing head up, ano? Head up. Head up. Bear down. Okay? Ganun lang. Head up. Bear down. Oh, head up ulit. Bear down. Oh, dito. Ganyan. Bear down, ha? Head up. Good. Bear down. Good. Head up. Bear down. Main sheet out. 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 Main sheet in. Very good. Very good. So, we only have 2 maneuvers, ha? Dalawa lang pagka nag... Okay? Diba? Locking and jibing. Ha? Hindi ka lumipat sa kabila, pwede kang punta-type. Diba? Kasi kung nandito, tapos nandito na yung hangin. Ganito na yung boat. Okay? So, you have to transfer there. Diba? Okay. So, yung movement, stop first. Stop first. Stop. Yeah. Head up, bear down. Head up, bear down. Main sheet in. Main sheet out. Okay? Head up, bear down. So, lagi kang titingin sa harap, ha? Laging tingin sa harap. Huwag sa tiller mo, huwag ganyan. Huwag dito sa baba. Okay? Gusto mo, alam mo kung saan ka papunta. Okay? Gusto mo, diretso yung boat. Okay. So, pag magtatak, diba kanina nakapasok yung paa natin? Lalabas, ganyan. Okay, I turn. Yuko. Tapos, lumipat. Okay? Lumipat, wala pa. Kita nyo? So, nagda-drive ako, ganyan, no? Nasa likod yung tiller, oh. Tapos, balik sa dati. Isa pa. So, I turn. Yuko. Tapos, pagka yuko, center. Okay? Tapos, di ba hindi ko binitawan, no? Tapos, tol, hawak dito. Ganun. Okay? Okay? Oh. Good. Lagay. You wanna remove this first? Yan. Ganyan. Oh, tapos, ano hawak? Dagger grip. Dagger. Yan. Ito. Dagger. Yan. Main sheet in. Main sheet. Sige. Hila. Oh. Hop. Ulit. So, hila. Hila. Hawak sa kabilang kamay. So, yan. Tapos, hila ulit. Tapos, hawak ulit sa kamay. Yan. Yun. Bitawan mo na yung iba. Oh, sige. So, sa top. Gawin natin sa top. Yan. Hila ulit. Yan. Yun. O, bitawan mo na yung iba lang. Ito, hawak pa rin. Yan. Hawak. O, bitawan mo na ito. Yung ibang tali. Bitawan mo na ibang tali. Yan. Okay? So, ito lang yung hawakan mong tali. Okay? So, ganito, show you. Ayan, o. Huwag mong ipunin ganyan. Okay? Huwag mong ipunin madami. Ha? Okay. Main sheet in. Okay, hawak na main. Okay. Good. So, head up. Head up. Ganyan lang yung head up. Ganyan lang. Bear down. Okay, head up. Bear down. Head up again. Okay, bear down. Main sheet in. Good. More. Good. Okay, main sheet out. 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 Sige pa. Out. Out. Very good. Okay, so magtatak tayo ha. Ha? Yung tacking is pushing the tiller. Okay, boat will turn. Okay, so hold it here. Sige.
You like it?
labas yun.
You having fun?
Okay, push the tiller. Boat will turn. Yuko. Okay. Hop, 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 hop. Balik, balik, balik. So pagkayuko mo, pagka ganyan, nakatayo ka na, di ba? Ito, ganun mo na. Center mo na. Yan, sa subo. O, yan, o. Harap ka lang doon. Harap ka. Para makadrive ka pa ng ano. Diba? Head up. Head down. Yan. Harap to para hindi ka pilipit. Yan. Yan, o. Diba? Tapos, itong kamay, lipat. Hindi, hawakan mo pa to. Lipat mo yung kamay na to dyan. Yan. Tapos ito. Hawak sa tali. Yun! Tapos, balik ulit sa dagger grip. Okay. Head up. Oh, kabila. Head up. Head down. Head up. Main sheet in ulit. Main sheet in. Okay. More. Up. Yun. More. Okay. More. Good. Oh, tak ulit. Sa kabila naman ha. Yan lang. Huwag mo bitawan yung tali. Oh. Yan. Okay pa? So ito, tanggal ulit dito. Okay? Ready lang. Para yung galaw mo, diba? Pag lipat, ganun lang. Okay? Okay. Tacking. Paano magta-turn yung boat? Head up. Okay, turn. Boat will turn. Okay, lipat. Yun. Yan. Good. Tapos, lipat yung kamay. Nice. Hawak ito. Yun, no? Galing, ha?
Very good.
Alright. Isa pa ulit. Isa pa ulit. Tacking. 3, 2, 1. Push. Push muna to. Laging pag magtatak ka, dito hawak ka sa dulo. Okay? Push. Okay? Okay?
Talagang safe na safe ah.
Okay. So pagka magtatak ka, tignan mo lagi yung boom. Ha? Yun, no? Okay. Dagger grip na. Dagger. Yan. Okay. Ano? Up. Tear down. Okay. Kahit ganyan lang. Huwag mo nang pagantoy. Okay. Head up. Bear down. Okay. Let's do attack. Okay. Back foot out. Up. Back foot. Ito. Okay. Tacking. Push. Up. Up. Teka. So dapat ang turn mo laging harap. Okay. So wait, pagkaganto mo dito pa isa pa. Ito pa. Yan. Diba, pagkaganyan mo, pag turn, i-center mo na to. Okay? Tapos, gawin mo, hawakan mo to. Yan, dyan. Yan. Yun. Dito halos tapat mo yung block. So, ang galaw mo dito, pabalik doon. Okay? Okay, one more time. Okay, head up. Head down. Main sheet in. More. Oops. Okay. Okay, let's do attack. 3. Back foot out. 2, 1. Tacking. Okay. Center. Yun, oh. And then, transfer. Yes. Always look forward, ha? Always look forward. Feet in, then hike. Oh, no? Okay. Isa pa, one last. Isa pa. Main sheet in. Main sheet in muna. Okay. Okay, good. Okay na. Too much. Ease out a bit. Ease out. Yes. Hanggang, yung sagad ng main sheet hanggang dito lang ha. Tapat lang din. Okay. So, kung gusto mo pang isagad, pwede pa. Main sheet in pa. Okay. Hanggang dyan lang ha. Okay. Tacking. 3, 2, 1. Push. Push first. Wait. Okay. So, hintay mo. Pag pinush mo, gaganyan yan. Pag nandyan na, ayan o. Ayan o, nakikita mo yan. Saka ka bababa. Okay? Huwag mo unahan. Okay? Okay, push. Okay? Okay, yupo. Dito. Yan. Nice. Hop. Baliktad yung ikot. Baliktad yung ikot. Balik. Okay? Ganyan. Yan. Ganon. Okay? So remember, pag iikot ka, lagi kang nakaharap. Okay? When you're talking, laging nakaharap. So parang patintero, ganun lang. Parang sayaw. Main sheet in. Main sheet out. Good. Out pa. Good. Main sheet in again. Okay. More. Okay. So sige, tatak tayo ha. So turning. So back foot out. Okay. Push. Push. Sige lang. Push. Enter. Enter down. Yan. So you have to be, your body has to face forward. Yan. Para hindi ka pinipin. Head up ng hangin. Siyempre, yun yung magpapatakbo eh. So pagkahanapin namin, oh, malakas ba hangin doon? Doon kami didiretso. Walang hangin doon? So wala na. Okay? So you can tack anywhere you want. Okay? And then, syempre, di naman constant yung hangin. Nagbabago yan eh. Di ba? It changes. Pati yung lakas, di ba? Minsan, dito. Okay. Shoulder of the sail. The mast holds the sail up. Then, this is the then this is the sprint. Tama yun, yung nandun sa taas, oh. Pag ganon, it's called the sprint. It holds the sail sa likod. Then, did you notice, diba, lahat ng event na line that merong why it's there. Okay? And then, since we're doing the lines, we have to know how to tie and do knots. Okay? So we will set up the sail and we'll need to know how to do a knot. Okay? To do that knot, unang-una is the square knot. Okay? Square knot is easy. Left over right and then right over left. And there. Then, okay. So it's tying the rope together. Okay? Here. Have a rope. Have a rope. You're small. So have a small rope. Okay. So look at me. Left. Over right. Okay. Pasok. Here. Again. Left. Let's make here's a shorter line. Here, long yan. Left, over right. Yan, good. Then, inside. This one. Other one. Para hindi tayo ito. Yan. Yan, diba? Can you tie shoelaces na?
Yes.
Can you tie your shoelaces?
Yes.
Not yet. So now we will learn. Okay? So, nandiyan na. Again. Left over right again. Left over right. Okay. Pasok yung isa. This one. In the hole. Good. Yes. Then, hold these two lines. Okay. Then right or left. Yan. Just pasok. Baliktad. Yan. Right over left. Okay. Again.
Watch ganito po.
Again. Baliktad to. Baliktad. Ayan. Ito. Hindi. Baliktad pa rin. Ayan. Kailangan ito, yun o, parehong sa ilalim, parehong sa taas. Hop, baliktad lang to. So, ito sa taas.
Ngipin ko po.
Ito yung yan.
Opo. That's so small. It's a smiley face.
Oh, again.
Smiley.
Oh. Yep. That's right. Okay, game. Okay, right over left. Okay, good. Sige, pasok yung isa. Up. Dito. Yan. Tapos,
No!
yun. Oh, yan. What? Correct. Should be here. So we need to tie the sail in front. Yun, very good. Oh, medyo malayo lang. So adjust natin. Adjust. Okay na. Ulit yung isa pa. Dami pa yan. Okay na yan. Ganyan. Tayo ka ulit isa pa. Tapos isa pa. Yan, yung maninipis na tali. Pwede yan. Ikaw. Okay mo. Okay, so, Doug. Nice. Oh, around the mast. Around the mast, ha? Around the mast. Sa ilalim. Ilalim. Sa ilalim. With the rope. Yan. Okay. Oh, do your knot, ha? Sige. Pasok muna. So, ganon. Okay, pasok mo sa ilalim yung isa. Ready? Ha? Remember how you move on the boat, ha? The tacking. Okay?
How far are we actually?
Like maybe behind that inflatable island. It's not so far.
Yeah, that's not so far.
Yeah.
But that means I can go there.
Anywhere?
I can go there.
Yes. If you can stop your boat near that, you can jump on it.
Then jump on the inflatable. And but your boat is gonna go far away because you're leaving your boat. You don't leave
Yeah.
your boat.
So you won't be able to come back. You gotta swim. Can you swim that far? Okay.
When we went on the boat,
But it's easier if you just sail your boat going back.
and it's easier if you just point your boat at the no zone thing.
No sail zone.
No sail
Correct.
zone.
Yeah,
If you point it there, it won't go away, right?
Or-
yeah, it
or-
will just stay there and do the flagging thing.
The
Or
flagging.
you can tie your boat in the inflatable.
What?
How do you tie it? You tie it in the front. When you
And
tie it in
then-
the front, it's just gonna go to the no sail zone.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna
Yeah.
point there.
Yeah, the inflatable is gonna go with the boat, and it's just gonna do the flaggy thingy,
The
and then I
flaggy
can
thingy.
jump on,
Yes, correct.
and then fight with my little sister there.
Gonna fight with your little sister.
Don't worry, it's water. He's
Oh,
795.
it's water.
Oh, you're
Yeah,
gonna
so-
play.
So if we fall down, there's no worry.
Ah, yes, yes,
You
yes.
can just
yes.
float
That's
on the
what's
water.
nice with sailing. If you fall down, it's just water.
Yes,
You're not
just-
gonna get
and you
hit.
even have a life vest.
Correct. Everyone's gonna be wearing a life vest. Even the coaches, right? Even the coaches are gonna wear life vest.
Okay.
Because when we just stop going,
Okay,
we're
you
just
say
gonna
thank you,
float
Coach
away.
Tito.
Thank you, Coach Tita. I'm just gonna point to us.
Sail.
No sail zone. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Then it's gonna do the flag thingy, and then I can jump
Okay, say bye-bye na. Let's go. We're gonna go buy food. Bye-bye.
Bye.
on.
Bye, Coach.
Have fun. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
So, that's the end of our first day in sailing. We learned a lot of things about the boat and how to sail. At saka yung mga pagtatay ng knot, di ba?
Yeah!
Did you have fun? Did you guys have
Yeah.
fun? And also kung paano i-set up yung mga boats. So, tomorrow we'll go sailing in the water na. Yeah?
Yeah!
Okay. So, samahan niyo ulit kami bukas para naman mag-sail na in the water. Today, it's just learning about the boat and the wind. So, see you tomorrow. Bye, guys!